Welcome to Macau. This statue is called Kun Ayam. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce it, but it's a sea goddess that was put here in March of 1999. 20 meters tall, weighing 50 tons, made from 50 bronze sections casted. She is the goddess of love, mercy, compassion. Yeah, it's very beautiful. It's just a little bit about her. She's right here in this little bay, and I definitely would say come check it out. And the inside is very peaceful and calming. You can go to sit in there for a little bit. It's nice. So we're here in Macau for 2 days. We have no set plans. Today we got here this morning and we stayed the night in the airport last night. We were really tired, so we took a decent sized nap. So it's like 4 something, or probably 5 something at this point, p.m. And we're just gonna see what we can do in Macau. We were planning on hanging out in Macau today and going to Hong Kong tomorrow, but I don't know if that's gonna work or whatnot, so we'll just see what happens. So we just walked past and saw this. This is awesome. Yeah, I don't know what to say about it other than this. It's sweet. Here we are at Guani. I don't know how to pronounce it. Sorry for my pronunciation, because I don't know. Fortress and Lighthouse. The fortress was built here in 1622 and ended construction in 1638 and was built with the chapel right here behind me. And then the lighthouse wasn't built until 1866, I think. The lighthouse stands at 15 meters tall, and it is the first modern lighthouse built on the southern coast of China. Yeah, this is a very, very cool place. The symbols, like the wicker black symbols you saw earlier, were hurricane warning or typhoon warning symbols. So apparently each symbol represents a different thing. If it's turned upside down, it means something else. They hang it up here so people in the city can know certain things. I don't know if they still do it, but they do, so people in the city, even if the power goes out, they know certain things about the typhoon, where it is, what it's doing, how fast, how deadly, and that's what those symbols mean. It is very hot out today, so I'm very sweaty, but this city is super cool with a mixture of European and Asian influences in its architecture, and its food, and its culture, and it's just been awesome being here. And we're gonna go check out more of this lighthouse and then check out more of the city after that, so stay tuned. We're leaving here. It's very hot, very sweaty. It's 4.
Look at the googly eyes.
I think this is supposed to be a dragon. Look at this.
I feel so dumb.
The googly eyes. It's supposed to be a dragon. That's crazy. It's cool. But nice. But alright, yeah, we're leaving here now. It's hot, sweaty. We have 2 more stops to make today. And I've taken my sweet time filming here. I haven't eaten that much today either, so we should probably get some food in us too. But yeah, off to the next spot. Alright. So we're here at the ruins of St. Paul's Cathedral. I don't know how to get in. We're going to try to get in. It's very touristy, but it's something cool to check out. We just had some food, which was really good, and some tea. I'll show you a picture of that. And yeah, let's go check out this place. So we're here at St. Paul's ruins. It was originally constructed, this church was originally constructed in 1580. It suffered 2 fires, one in, I can't remember what year one was. The other one was in 1601. It was rebuilt after that in 1602, and then it suffered a 3rd fire many years later, and then kind of fell into ruins after that. It's a crazy, weird, beautiful building. Definitely come check out these ruins here. But yeah, I'll show you guys more. The ruins were very interesting. Now we are walking on the other side of the road to go check out this giant wall thingy. I think it's like another fortress or something like that. I'm not exactly sure. I'll let you guys know when I know. Those art pieces at the ruins were like just pieces of art that were found afterwards. There were some very odd ones, some interesting ones. But yeah, let's go up to the top and see what this place is like. Okay guys, so we're at this like fortress wall thing. I honestly don't know what this one's called. I will put it down below. I know nothing about it other than the place where the lighthouse is like right over here. But yeah, we're gonna head back to our place now and then rest up, drink some water, sit in some AC for a while, get unsweaty, and then head out to the nightlife. I don't know if this camera will be coming with us tonight because the nightlife here is casinos. So it won't. So I'm gonna film a lot of it on my phone. Sorry about the quality of that, but hey. So yeah, I will see you guys later tonight. All right, bye. Good morning and final morning in Macau, everybody. We had a long night last night. We ended up staying out way too late and we didn't get back until about 5 in the morning. Pretty calm here, pretty crazy at the same time though. Like it's very tame for what it is. Tesla, that's cool. Very tame for what this place is, but it's very beautiful, very hot. I feel my skin burning right now. But we are gonna head to the southern part, the southern island, southern side of Macau, get closer to the airport, and also Rachel found some places that she wants to check out down there, mostly food. All food. We're gonna head to the airport after that. So yeah, it's about 2 right now, and we have 3 hours. Cool. Stopped at this takeaway store that sells pork buns, and apparently they're really good. And they have really good lemon tea. We have 2 hours until we have to our flight leaves, and we're just chilling eating pork buns. So after this, we're probably gonna start walking towards the airport. Yeah, if you want to see what these pork buns are like, they look really good. They smell really good. You want to see them? Go over to Rachel's channel. She's doing the food stuff. But yeah. So see you guys when we're done eating. Alright, so this has been our trip to Macau. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. If you like this kind of style more, where I go somewhere for a couple days and mash it all into one video, please let me know. But alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.